Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Naim bin Mazid, and today I will be teaching you on how to do analysis of part. Okay, first of all, okay, we want to click this, click on, we want to open this file on tutorials. Okay, after that, we want to click on simulation, new study, static 3, and click OK. Okay, so for default, click on properties, I mean, you want to change its materials. Apply edit material. What you want to do is you want to choose alloy steel. Okay. Okay, so now what we want to do is you want to apply pressure. Features, click on fixed geometry. Click on this hole and this hole. So that click on OK. Then click on simulation, click on standard load. You want to click on pressure. Okay. So this part will be our pressure part. Okay. So change it to PSI, 1000 PSI. Okay. So that click on OK. So that what we want to do is you want to click on simulation and to click on run this study. Okay. So it will show you like this. Okay. As for results, this is on displacement. So it will show you the pressure that will be highlighted in this area. So that what we want to do is you want to click on simulation. We want to click on plot tools. We want to click on animate. So it will be an animation like this of the pressure on this part. You can look, you stop, and then you can loop it. So then click OK. Okay. Right click on result. Define factor of safety. From here, you want to change it to Max von Mises Visitors. Yield strength and click on to that. To finish this, we want to click on here. Okay, so it will show you this color. Click on result advice. You want to search result advisor. Click on new plot. Click on vector of safety. So okay. Okay. So now what you want to do is you want to generate report. Click on report. Okay. You want to click on all of this. Conclusion, report summary, and then you can save it the document name. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thank you.